We think first. To create a safe laboratory for researchers, we have achieved remarkable progress through constant challenges. Based on the progressive technology, we are creating a better future. Safety through design. CHC LAB. CHC LAB has specialized and expanded its business area to biobusiness and lab consulting based on lab safety equipment. We are leading the national laboratory market by providing safe products and services. However, we do not stop there. We are continuing to grow and expand into a global community that is expanding into the world. In addition, we provide customers with confidence in safety and performance through certified international tests. CHC LAB provides lab total solutions from lab consulting to design, manufacturing, delivery, and after-sales service. First, we identify the characteristics of the laboratory and analyze risks and hazards. We then create a customized design through quick and accurate analysis by experts in design, HVAC, electricity, gas, and architecture. We have manufacturing expertise through advanced facilities and detailed processes, while doing our best in environmental management. In addition, to minimize errors and ensure performance, we are implementing a strict quality inspection system. Safely and in record time, we are delivering any part of the world. We always listen to our customers' voices and provide solutions to their inconveniences. CHC is expanding by specializing in its business areas. We provide an efficient lab environment by connecting various utilities suitable for research purposes with the lab bench system. Through optimized exhaust performance and monitoring function, we guarantee the safety of researchers from various harmful gases. In addition, a biological safety cabinet specialized for bioexperiments protects the safety of researchers from various biological hazards. Furthermore, we are expecting infinite development possibilities by developing a mobile lab system that can be used in various lab environments and situations. CHC's Advanced Lab Consulting is leading the way in establishing an advanced laboratory by providing an efficient research environment and improving the laboratory environment. Based on CHC's honesty and customer trust, we are advancing together with partners not only nationally, but also around the world. We always think about our customers' safety. With CHC's unique products and technology, CHC is creating a better tomorrow.